Are we there yet?
It does bring up a list of sound effects you can play on stream to either scare the living shit out of me, like the fox one, or just make the stream a little bit funnier. If it makes you laugh, that is. So it turns out Giuliano is still here. He did not.
That's terribly sexy.
He did not leave.
What's that? It's the oh my god, the hack, the hash slinging, the dash ringing, the clash stinging, the
It's Grandma.
Grandma.
Grandma is very old. Very old.
she's setting up marks, man.
Oh my god.
Oh, hi! Oh, it's so dark in here. I hope everybody's having a good day. Welcome in, Ringtail. Congrats on first. Welcome in, Tortuga. Thank you for the lurk. Suck on Rerun. Thank you for coming in. Welcome back. Hope you're doing good. I hope everybody's having a good day today. I've been obviously doing nothing but work on game dev the past 2 days, so if you saw Monday's stream, then you will see some improvements into today. What I've done, honestly, I couldn't tell you. It's been so many little things, but that's okay. And then also, I'm going to end up having to run away for a couple minutes to start my barbecue ham, so it's ready not that long after Scott gets home from work. So those are the plans or updates. As for the plan for today, all I've been working on is filling in parts of the technical design doc, because I did pieces of the game design doc and technical design doc like way when I first had the idea, and since then a lot has changed in my brain, and I'm like, you know what, I should probably definitely update that. So I've been going through and putting everything that I have into it. I've done the base classes and components so far. Obviously there's only going to be a list for the maps, but all the rest of them are going to be very tedious, and I don't know, but we can get switched to the right screen. So yeah, we've gotten this one and this one done. And now we have this, which is gonna be kind of a lot, but I'm just gonna be right back really quick. Gotta love cats messing with stuff in the other room. But I guess let's do a little test open. We got our guy. He's doing fantastic. I don't remember what exactly we were working on last time. I think we were doing equipping stuff. I'm gonna take these things, and I ended up going with an offset for the items in their hands. So I ended up seeing each item I had and went and figured out the offset. As well as with the ammo, I went and torn apart the mesh so it was only one box. So there wasn't, you weren't like carrying 3 weird boxes in your hand. But you can see it between the server and the player. Sean, hi, welcome in. How are you? Long time no see, eh? But we've gotten pretty far with it. Eventually we'll probably smooth out some of the movement, like his abrupt stops. I don't know about you guys, but I have a little momentum, so there's a little bit of an abrupt stop. That's kind of okay though. It makes it funny. Pretty good. How are you? I am all Gouda. We're gonna be doing kind of some boring stuff. At least in the beginning, until I decide I don't feel like doing it anymore. And then we can work on something over here. Hi, Streaks! How are you? You like the abrupt stops? Alright, we'll leave them in. Just because you said so. And not anything to do with how I hate doing animation stuff at all. just abruptly stopped. So I was planning on evening. Let me log in with this person. You'll be able to see it better. The momentum on GTA 4 and 5 was the bane of my life. You know what? It's been way too long since I played any GTA games, so I couldn't even recall. But I feel like this is pretty norm. One of these times I'll have to show you guys it working on Steam. But, let me see. How do I want to stand in front? So, watch the other screen. Not the one that's right above me, but watch that one. When this guy bends his back, backwards is fine. This way is kind of back breaking. That side's fine. This side, you just crunch your whole back. Just do a lowercase c. Like over here, you got like your parentheses. Over here is like lowercase c. The way he cracks his back. I've seen much worse. Yeah. I could have made it more realistic or less realistic. This guy that I have, his name is Bungee Man. It's obviously an asset that I downloaded. I'm not. No, I can't go that far. But this is Bungee Man, and he has a lot of nice bones that I can mess with. So in some games, they literally bend over backwards. I was thinking about making your back straight snap, but but I didn't. I love watching the other side, get your body turned around. I love watching the other side and watching them like look left and right, but I love watching them look down. He looks so sad. I think that's it. Just looks so cute. He just looks so sad. But on the plus side, oh yeah, and this morning I don't know why it does that, but I implemented an equip and unequip from. I know why that's doing that, but I don't know if I'm gonna fix it or not. He looks like George Michael in Arrested Development, all sad. Oh, I haven't seen Arrested Development in so long. Just honestly, if I know that there has to be a way where you can. Oh, you're getting a little twitchy over there, my guy. I know there has to be a way where he can be like in his pose, and I can select different things for him, like different poses for him to be at to make an animation. I know you have to be able to do that in here. You have to. So maybe when I figure out how to do that, I'll make some funny emotes with it. One of those memes. You probably know the meme though. No. I don't even know. I know of memes. How many memes I know are relatively zero. I am about a decade behind on anything popular. Anything relevant. Way behind on. So behind. And you know what? I probably have been on Facebook a total of 12 hours in 5 years. If that. That might be generous. I've gone a couple times for a couple random things. Instagram, even less. Snapchat, even less. I don't have a TikTok. I've never been on TikTok. I've seen some. I just started watching YouTube Shorts last year or the year before. He says you're not alone. I just found out about MySpace. My MySpace is still up, bro. Limsos, welcome in. Roxy, welcome in. I've probably seen 10 memes ever. Delete my comments. Oh my gosh. Perfect, just like me then. Hello. P-Born, welcome in. Hold on, let me do some things. Please forget I said something. So I know some memes, but most of them. Hi, Medic. Welcome in, of course. I know some. Jazzy and Dom keep me young. You'll see the image and say yes, and that's it. I don't know. This is sus. Having to explain it. MySpace is still up. Now I'm curious to see if mine still exists. Also, I don't remember what my login would be. In like 2011 or 12, I decided to get my MySpace back. It's not the same. It won't have your background. It won't have your songs. It won't have any of it. None of it. It's all gone. You will see your top friends. They are still there. Oh, no bad clip. It was friendly banter. To be honest, I'm so sorry. I didn't listen to the clip. So I apologize if it was bad. I'm too focused on MySpace. Takes all of it out of it. Just never mind. No meme reference in the future. You can meme reference. I won't get it. But I'm pretty quick on my feet. I can usually think of some type of creative comeback for you. At least. I get sarcasm quite well. We've done things and stuff. I vaguely remember something about it in 2011. I may have reclaimed it or meant to. I don't remember. It was like forever ago. I'm pretty old. I'm pretty old too. I'm 30. Oh, goodness. But you didn't have, it's probably still there. When I say reclaim, I mean I got my, I figured out my password and all that stuff again. You know what I miss, though? I miss, AIM. Messenger. AIM. Gosh, the rush you got when you went home from school. You went and talked to your friends on the phone for a little bit. And then you're like, alright, I'll see you on AIM. And you went and told your mom you're getting on the internet, so you can't get on the phone. And then you go and talk to your phone on, or then you go talk to your friends on AIM. You put your little status up so your crush sees it. Did you do ICQ? I don't think, I didn't do Winamp or ICQ. I had a Yahoo Messenger too, because one guy I liked was using Yahoo, but everybody else used AIM. Of course, of course. Okay, but what we were doing, well, what we were gonna do is write this stuff in the TDD, but I want to add a quick drop. Got a lurk, have a good, oh, I had Yahoo because of what friend? Yeah, everybody had Yahoo because of one person. You have a good lurk. Those were simple days. I miss it. I do too. I used to just, like, we used to all meet up in random parts of the neighborhood, playing chicken with bikes, being too brave, both of you being too brave, and both of you getting tire marks up your face because neither one swerves. Yep. That's a true story. Horrible. I want to add a quick drop thing. Ba, 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 ba. Drop a quick AQ. Right? Man, I was too brave for my own good back then. Way too brave. the reckless stuff that I could do back then, but I would so yell at a kid for doing now. I'm gonna make it G. I can't wait to document all this stuff on here. Do I even have this on my character yet? I have it in some way. Okay, I have to unequip with a drop. Do I have? I found myself doing that now with my nephew, right though? I'm too close in age to my nieces and nephews because my brothers are older than me. So I wasn't really an aunt to them. Unequip item drop. Okay, this is what I want. So this is what I want to call. Drop. I'm pretty sure I have removed it from inventory already in there. Let's take a gander. Bloop. Bloop. Gee, that didn't even work. It's still in my hand. Ugh. It is gone everywhere else though. Did I press F? I might have pressed F. Well, G doesn't do anything either. This is the craziest memory as a child. I remember jumping off a 3-story building in 2 thin mattresses with a friend's dog. Is an understatement. Oh my goodness. I've done so. Like, you gotta give me an age range because I've done horrible things at every age. I mean, maybe not horrible things, but like, I remember telling my mom that I was sleeping over my friend's house. My friend's sister's house, and she was in her early 20s, and my mom let me, and me and my friend just went out in the middle of the night walking around the city. We did many shenanigans when telling my mom that we were hanging out at her sister's house. I mean, many of the things I did as a teen was telling my mom that I was one place. I remember telling my mom I was spending the night at her sister's. We went over to her boyfriend's house and decided we were all gonna sleep in a tent. The tent got ripped in the middle of the night, so we all woke up and were pissed off and groggy because it was raining. The next night we probably, I think, I don't remember what the instance was for, but I ended up sleeping in this guy's attic because I didn't have anywhere to stay for the night. That was wild too. And then his mom got mad because she knew me. She wasn't mad that he snuck me to spend the night. It was he made me sleep in the attic. Like get out here. And it wasn't even that I was a girl. He thought he would get in trouble because I was a girl. Oh, this is why. I'm not unequipping anything. Man, yeah. I had a lot of reckless experiences. And those were a little bit more tame. I can't share all of them. All right, this should work now though. Now let's go grab something. Let's equip it. Now let's drop what we have equipped. Ha! And we can't equip it again because it's not in our inventory, and the toggle equip doesn't do nothing. I mean, it's a little awkward on the ground. We pick it back up. I went from New York to Virginia and had a similar situation like that. Thank God it went well. Yeah, I was always very fortunate to stay safe. I put myself in reckless situations, but never don't ever put yourself in unsafe situations. Like, you know, don't put yourself in unsafe situations. Yeah, I was reckless, but I was not unsafe. Well, there we go. That worked out well. Should we go back to tediously adding things to our our game design document? Does it work for client 2? I think so. You are right. I did not check. I think we're gonna have to drill that into the little ones overall. Yeah. You never want to put yourself in a situation where you can't get back out of it. Like, yeah, I slept in a guy's attic, but I knew the guy. There were other people around, like, you know, it wasn't some stranger, you know. And if anything comes down to it, I knew I could always call my parents. Alright, you drop this. Look at that. Look at that beautiful pizza drop. I can't pick it back up. It might just... Can I pick it up with you? Yeah. Why can't you touch this pizza? Is it because it like bounced off you and you don't know where it is anymore? Let's try it again. Okay, drop this. Yeah, you can't see it to pick it back up. What do you call a big fancy cat? Man, I am so ready for this pun. A dandelion. Oh, this is cute. I love this. I love that. Welcome in, Pronsor. How are you? I hope you're having a good day. Where's my mouse? Here we go. Okay, well, you can't see the things you drop as an item. What are they to you? What do you think that is? You see it there. Garfield, yeah, that's a good one too. Is it a little caterpillar or the worm? I love it. Now I want to be the purple guy next time we go in. Doing all right. I made a new riddle, by the way. Oh my. All right, what tier is it? I remember that you had like different categorizations of riddles. Oh, they were all safe. We're good. Why can't you see what this is? I bet you if I pick it up as this guy, drop it, you can't. Oh, now there's 2 pizzas? How did you even do that? Oh. Was there 2 pizzas in the storage? Did I pick up a 2 pizza stack and then the client couldn't drop that stack properly? Can the client not drop a stack properly? Give me these pizzas. You dropped them fine. This one's a bit difficult. You unknowingly carry me at every turn and decision. To lead you tactfully is my secret mission. Through every great virtue and terrible sin was planned long before you decided to begin. Embrace or resist me, just know I'll be with you until the very end. Your silent enemy or mysterious friend. Is it your conscience? That's the only thing I could think of. So why can't you drop... What's the difference between dropping it from my inventory? Not conscience. Pizza. I know. Our pizza's not going so well. Every turn of decision is a little similar. Is it your instincts? Like your gut instincts? I have to see what the difference between the 2 dropping is. So when I drop you from my inventory, not instincts. If your conscience is on your shoulder, this would be quietly following you behind a corner or tree. Man, we need Wind's Fury. Wind's Fury is good at these. You unknowingly carry me at every turn and decision. To lead you tactfully is my secret mission. Through every great virtue and terrible sin was planned long before you decided to begin. Psst. That's not your stuff. Please leave. Psst. Go on. Just now I'll be with you until the very end. Your I guess it wouldn't be your shadow. I'm not sure. I'm not feeling quite as... I don't know. I don't have any words. I don't have any right words today. If your contact is on your shoulder, it would be like falling behind a corner tree. Your destiny? She's standing like a little meerkat over there. Bingo! We got it! How do I drop this? If it's true... Okay. The answer is destiny or fate. I like that. Nana, hi! How are you? Never triangle face. Wow, thank you for knocking over the tree. Premonition. Oh, you see, that was a good guess. That was not one of my guesses. Thanks for shout out. Of course. Do you think maybe we should... I should drop it from my inventory. I should drop it, not detach it. I should just destroy it and spawn one in front of me. Oh my gosh, it's Subnautica. What you making there? So I'm hoping to make a lethal-like. I don't have a whole lot of elaboration on the game yet. I have some ideas, but it isn't articulated in a way where I can explain it to anybody. But it will be a lethal-like with this spongy man. Hey, thanks! I just got the animations working pretty well recently. We got the little turn, the slight back, the break your back. Got it all. And you'll be able to, you won't be able to see this, I don't think, because it's on the same server, but you should be able to pick your color and join. I don't think this will work right now because I am on the same computer. I have to open up my other computer and get the latest from the repository, which I'll show on stream at some point, but it should be fun. It should be pretty fun. Oh, wow, it did work. Nice. Well, hi there. How nice. That is until the next time we join, and we'll both be yellow. Looks cool though, thank you. I haven't made a map design yet. Eventually, I'll get to that. There's so much to do. They look like cool little test figures. I love them. They look like the guy from 9. Oh, P-Born, thank you for the prime. I appreciate that. If Kem wants to make some characters for this, he's more than welcome to. If he wants anything that he's made in a game, let me know. I appreciate you, P-Born, you cutie. Thank you. Oh, look at the little wink. A little cute wink. This is the drop item on here. Do I have the inventory over here? Kem said he'd be happy to once he gets his PhD and another piece of work finished. There's plenty of time. This is not going to be anywhere close to ready anytime soon. Look at them all! Is this Unreal Engine? It is Unreal Engine. It is very fun to work with. I like it. Eventually, I'll put all this stuff into code, but I do not feel like doing that right now. I could call the inventory drop item in the equip thing instead of doing whatever I do. But I don't have... I have things I can do to do this. I need to try it, but I've only used Unity. It will seem very overwhelming at first. Very. But if you think you should be able to do it, there's a 98% chance that you can do it. I'm like, man, I have this mesh, and I just want this little part of this mesh. Yeah, you can do that. You can go into the modeling feature, get the triangle edit, select all the triangles, get them all out of there, and just have that one thing. Perfect. And also, the backend is C++, whereas Unity is C#. So I don't know how exactly you mess in each engine, but that's also something to consider. I could get the inventory component, and then I can do search inventory for the item. I'm gonna try going back to uni this year, hopefully, and I'm low-key terrified I won't understand shit. Dang. Well, I don't know what you're going for, but thanks. I don't know what you're going for, but if I can help, I'm here. You know, always here. I always figure out how to do stuff. You think it might not always be the right way, but you figure out how to do it, then you figure out how to do it better, and then you make it pretty. What am I doing? What is this? Well, fine. Computer science. I can help with the logic-ish. Schmatty, welcome in. Cybersecurity. Oh my goodness. That is definitely going to be difficult. I can help with. I like to make functions. Excuse me.
That feeling exactly. I'm getting kind of sick of doing this over and over again. This part right here, specifically. Wait, oh, screw it.
I have a bunch of faces in the closet, and they were just knocked over. Dev is good. Cats are bad. Pretty normal day. How are you, Schmatty? That is exactly how I feel about the cats right now. It was the one that came and just acted like it was her business to walk through. That's who was just in there doing that. Little butt. Fishing is bad. Okay. Okay, waiting on quitting time. An hour and 10 minutes to go. That's actually not too bad. That's very close. I started learning logic with What If game. With the What If game. Oh my. So you're talking like if, else if, else if, else if, else if. Yeah? Chromie, welcome in. Thank you for the follow. I appreciate you. Welcome to our cheesy slice of the internet. So we're gonna search our inventory for the item. And then if I find it, it should only be one item. So we're just gonna get this, get too many things. The quickest cheese I can find, the stinky cheese. Dang. I don't know. Are my follower emotes cheese? I just finished making my food, so I'm gonna lurk and devour things. BRB, you have a nice lurk. Enjoy your foods. Get the first thing that you found in that thing. If found is true, and then... Wait, I don't even need that, right? All I need is... I need to stop for a second. Hi, Cosmo. How are you? I hope you're having a good day. So, my problem is I unequip the item, but it doesn't really drop it right. So, what I want to do, honestly, is just destroy it and spawn a good item. And if I do that over here, it will be while the server has authority. And I should be able to literally just call this on the index. But that would mean I would have to find what index first. I'm doing well. How about you? I am doing all good over here. In a couple minutes here, I'll probably end up stepping away for a second so I can put the ham in the crock pot. But other than that, we're just doing fun game dev stuff. I hope you're having a good one. Does cheese on pizza and cheese on Dorito count? I mean, that does count too. A cheesy Dorito. What are my follower emotes? Which ones are they? Because it just shows me all of them. It doesn't tell me which ones are which. Because my emote should be cheese. Oh, see there? Okay, well, I guess none of the follower ones are cheese. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate that. I should replace one of those with some cheese. I gotta put a cheese one on the follower ones. That seems like an important thing. Oh, yeah, there you go, making it rain cheese. That's perfect. Thank you. That's even better. And I think that when you follow, you should get enough to be able to make it rain cheese right away anyway. It's time for a Would You Rather. Hopefully we get a good one, because last time it wasn't all that great. Alright, Schmatty. Pick a number, right? Oh, crap on a cracker. Look at all them cheese emotes. That is amazing. That is definitely the vibe that I wanted. But I still like what she did. Pick a number between 1 and 404. 7. Okay, well, I didn't even have to tell you how many there was. Via the cheesy dad. I know the cheesy dad. And then I'm gonna look. Yeah. Yeah, I know the cheesy dad. Aw, I love this. Okay. Wholesome. Amazing. Oh, 404. I figured it'd be 10. Oops. Do you want to refine your answer? You got a lot more options than that. Does Gigi's look like cheese? 258, okay. Yeah, I get that. Most yellow things in emote form is pretty cheesy. Okay. Would you rather have body odor that can be detected across the yard or be hairy like Bigfoot? Honestly, can I be hairy like Bigfoot? I can shave, right? I might have a lot of upkeep, but I could shave. Yikes, that's tough. Although with the body odor, if you get some Axe, you can have it. I mean, you're gonna destroy the environment, but if you have a can of it a day, that's strong stuff. You might be able to mask it. Hairy easy. I mean, honestly, my hair just smell like Bigfoot. So wait, which Bigfoot? Cause I've seen pictures of Bigfoot with like no hair on the tummy. I don't know if it was like a comedic thing or not. No hair on the tummy and no hair on the chest. So you just get like, you just make sure the unhairy spots are really nice. You know? Oh my gosh. I'm gonna give you a freebie though, because the one next to this is really funny, I think. Would you rather only be able to tell lies or have to scream out every true thought that crosses your mind? Well, I'll put it this way. I'm not to the level of Austin Powers, but I'm an upkept Terry. Fair. I'd agree. Would you rather be able to only tell lies or have to scream out every true thought that crosses your mind? If Terry, scream out every true thought. I was thinking that would be the one I want to choose, but I don't want to have to yell all the time. You know? That would be exhausting. Search inventory by ID. Get this thing's info. Let me see your ID. Holy. Where is my... Like I can't make it so I don't have to see all these pins. Fine. What if you're in a library playing Alien Isolation? Oh my gosh. Yeah, exactly. So you search the inventory for this if you wanna. Oh no, duh, it's not gonna be in your inventory. That's why it's not working. It's not in your inventory when it's equipped. And what's in your hand? Is it the item? The server could pick it up, but the client couldn't pick up the item they dropped. Yeah. I'm trying to wait for ads to go get the ham started. I don't want to start it too late. Oh, look it. I got a cool gun now. Could run around my pistol. I can drop it, but I don't know that it's an item. And because I'm not in the editor thing, I can't F8. I still can't attach. Okay, I'll do a breakpoint. That won't help me anyway. What if I just do this part and then just spawn the item? I know I've said that already. This is really fascinating. So this is Unreal Engine. Yes, this is Unreal Engine. This is... I really like using it. Other people who are using the engine probably see things that I do that they're just like, why are you doing it this way? But I'm sure everybody looks at everybody who uses it that way sometimes. But I'd be more than happy to teach you anything that I know, and you can extend your learning from there. I'm more than willing to help. Maybe if I help enough people, then we can have a team together. My starting soon screen actually was made by another streamer named Elemental Legion, and it was made in Unreal Engine 2. This Ace Studios, oh my. They made this in Unreal Engine. I don't know what assets they have or anything, but they have the little fox that ends up running across the screen and stuff. Jarvis, yes! Is that where I know you from? Or is that just a coincidence? Oh, we're not on a game. Is that just a coincidence? I haven't seen him on in a really long time. Although to be fair, I did get really busy for a while. Just tuned in and starting soon. I was confused. Yeah, we were talking about that was made in Unreal. I'm gonna do what I keep saying I should try. I think that sounds logical. My brain sometimes works well. Ah! How are you, Tortuga? You have off today. Is that why we actually can see you? I spy a turtle? Detach from component. I got to get the info. I have a headache, but yes. Well, thank God. Who knew it would take a headache for that? Okay. I'm gonna leave this here. The as Ace in the game development play some of your. I appreciate that. I hope that it can continue making good progress and then we can get some people on Steam for it. But I'll be RB, cause ads, and I'm gonna start ham. Berry plantation. I'm gonna make some berries.
Why are you jumping? She is pressing the jump button. Here. You are so spoiled. I could use my customer service voice and be super high pitched all the time and sound like I'm way overly happy.
Do what? Where is that thing?
Why you name them Blob? That's his name. His name is Blob.
And what was the other thing? Yeah. I'm not doing it. Oh no, it's right there on my screen. I have my screen capture. I'm not here. I stream. Well, anybody who's my friend on Steam, I hope you will all be nice.
Berry plantation. I'm gonna make some berries. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh wow, these leaves, they look very nice. But you really can just be as simple as boil eggs, cut in half, mix the yolk with mayo until it's creamy, but not too mayo-y. Add a little bit of mustard. Mix that. Put a little salt and pepper in there. Put that mixture back in your egg. Your little egg bowl. Dab some paprika on top. Just pop the whole thing in your mouth. All at once. Clip that. There is your egg instructions.
Pull that big gear out of your teeny tiny backpack. It's all Gouda. Guess not by shooting it. I have to go up to you. Hello?
I started blasting. Bang! I don't see so good, so I missed.
Am I just jumping? Am I just being an absolute asshole right now? I think so. They don't give you like 20 of them anymore.
delicious Rockstar. Rockstar, please sponsor me. I'm sorry, I had to do it. Okay, I'm gonna take my sip now. If Mittens wins, we right. I agree.
I agree. And it's rigged.
Oh my god, no fucking way.
You know what? I'll take that as a win.
Oh my god, Mittens. Everybody spam
I've
exclamation
returned.
point Mittens. He has to give us a bunch of random facts for that.
Dang, that clip even finished and everything, the sound. Hi! Sorry. It takes a long time to get a whole bottle of barbecue sauce out into a crock pot. My arm is tired. The game, so apparently the game you do exclamation point game and then you guess a 5-letter word. And the boxes will be different colors based on if the letters were, oh hi, right or not. Ooh, hydrate, that's a good call. Oh, oops. Avocado, it was avocado. I love being a menace to society, amazing. Amazing. Oh, Tortuga, you tried. It's okay. With water? Let's see how long in the year we can go without having a glass of water. We're going good so far. I come link at YouTube. There, see, there's my water. She might have got me. A little avocado lurk. That's an adorable emote. I love that. There's probably water in things that I consume. Got water for days. Look, Schmatty will drink the water for me. I'm good. No thanks. We were doing Kool-Aid for a while, but my Kool-Aid came messed up. Look at them all. Look at all those tiny waters everywhere. Goodness. So we gotta spawn this first. What is this even? Okay. Break this. I have eggnog at home, which isn't water at all. I have chocolate milk, which is definitely not water at all. All this stuff needs to get away from there, from here. This is too close. Get away for a minute. Chocolate milk's good. It's the whole milk chocolate milk. The one that's thick. Like so thick when you pour it. It's so good. So good. I love it. I would prefer to do this before this too. You two come over here with me. But you guys, you come over here. Right here. Hi, Swayze! Is this a personal game you're working on? Yes! It's all I got so far. It's gonna be a lethal-like. Something that you can play with your friends and just be silly with, you know. How are you? I've been lurking on you lately. Been getting into that Marvel Rivals, yeah. If you missed it, you missed it. I feel that. And I'll need the amount to for right here. So I'll just taking a little break from work at the moment, and yeah, I'm addicted to Rivals. Nice. I'm glad. I know a lot of people have been really enjoying it lately. That is so Gouda. I want to do this, so we're gonna spawn it. Can you two still move? Rivals is good. Yeah, a lot of people are playing it these days. Lots. And I would like okay, good. Get transform. Get active transform myself. I would also like to get forward. No, stay back down there. Get forward. What am I doing? Times. Can I click this, please? Oh yeah, anytime I press 1, it decides to do that. I have to fix that. I keep forgetting. And then add this to this. Make this. You still getting in the way, all of you. Ooh. You just need to come down here. Anyway, you can go like this. I really don't care what rotation you're in. So then we put it a little bit in front of the character, because we get where the character is. Put a little bit in front of the character, add that to where they are, and then you put the location in there. And I have the amount and the ID, so we'll spawn the actor. And then we'll do that stuff. But really, it would be spawn the actor a little bit in front of us. And then detach this. Destroy it. And then do this. Goes cross-eyed, yeah. I don't even know. I'm working on autopilot, because if I started to pay too much attention to what I was doing, I would overthink it, I think. But I'm definitely gonna overlook something too. So, if you want to drop it, when you unequip it, you're passing in this item. You're passing in the item that you got. It's that's attached to you. And then if you're this, I'm not gonna even explain that part. If the object is an object, if you're dropping it, we're gonna spawn an actual actor. Detach the thing that was connected to you. Destroy the thing that was connected to you. And these are just variables. So that should make it so the client drops an item. and can pick it back up. I don't know why I just hit this button. Okay, give me this. Drop this. Pick it back up. Put, oh wait, that's not how I wanted to do it though. I have to drop it like this. Yeah. Nice. Now let's make sure it works on the server still. You take something into your inventory. You equip it in your hand. You just straight drop it. That's probably a little too much in front of them though. For sure. I have to also adjust the location of something else. That would confuse a lot of people too. I have to adjust the locate when I do some other things. So that's nice. Now you can drop items and pick them back up. Get this out of here. Easy peasy. And then that way if it was like got any extra info in it that it didn't need, it'll just get rid of it. It works. Yeah. We got some good progress going on. We can equip things. I ended up going with an offset. So I'll have to fill it in for everything, and then I can also drop it, pick it back up. I can toggle it being equipped. And if I have it unequipped, it will be in my inventory, but if I have it equipped, it's not there. Just drop it. It's just dropped right there. All good. It works on both. That's not what I meant to work on when I started stream though. You know? And I should have paid more attention to what I was doing while I was doing it too. Eventually I'll make hotkeys. What is this? Oh, the number 1. Yeah. I don't know if I ever showed you guys that I got my health works in game. Oh yeah, I can't press 1 on this. I keep forgetting. You're never gonna be able to see it. Just kidding. Who knows? That probably like mutes me or something weird. So yeah. I got all the things and the stuff working. And then I started to work on the design doc again. Because it's very out of date. And it doesn't have anything in the technical design doc part. I also we did add that, right? Yeah. Okay. Well, yeah. Super fun. You know. So maybe because I don't feel like working on the design doc, what? Do I have a left or right mouse button click yet? Because I have the use item things. that I could do. Consumable base. Oh yeah, I still have it hard coded right now to do this, to pick a random one. If oh well, who cares if there's not one assigned. I don't remember what I wanted for that. I don't want it anymore. This is, I only need this if there's something extra I want to do with the pickup, which I don't. Do I have anything on the base class for the item for use? Nope. Good. Really don't need this, but I'm gonna keep it there anyway in case I want it. So I think use is gonna need an input. And I don't know what we should make the input. We can have it be an item base, we can have it be the inventory struct, we can have it be the item struct. It will probably be an inventory struct. Because if you use something that's in your hand that's like in a stack or something, then you'll have access to how much it. I don't make any sense to you, do I? You're just a duck. You're just a duck. I need a duck. I'm gonna do the inventory struct part. But because I don't want to break anything, host and clients can drop items that other hosts and clients identify correctly. Sure. Give it a little push, and then we are going to go to the item interface, and I would like to add an input. Excuse me. Inventory info. F inventory. Oh, yep, there it is. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it like that. That's Gouda. Coolio. Now if we go back to consumable base, whenever we use it, we'll know what we have. We just go break. For now, I would like to just print something. Print. Append. I'ma consume this, and then it'll say whatever the item is. Yeah. I should have figured that. Where are we at here? I have it in the base class. What? Yeah, that's what I thought. That's what I thought, yeah. Okay. So whenever we call to use it, it'll just say, I'm gonna consume this. And then whatever the item is. And then I want to do that whenever something's in my hand. I know. It sounds like so much fun, right? Am I making sense to anybody? Ugh. I would like an input action, please. For 100, Alex. Isn't that his name? And then we're gonna go say, hey, we got this control. Left mouse button. And then whoops. If I press that, I want to get the character. I want to get their equipped item. And I want to use it. Oh. I guess that doesn't really make any sense now, doesn't it? Because we have our own info. Why did I even do that? You guys are probably looking at me like I was crazy. Surely you did. You did surely look at me like I was crazy, I'm sure. Back to data. We don't need this. Although we don't know how much we have of ourselves. I guess that's for me to know other places, eh? I don't need this. I know that. So just go like this. And then like this. We don't know how many... Oh, maybe we do. We might know. We do know how many we have of ourselves. What am I talking about? If anybody is paying attention, wonder what I just did there. It was... They were from Mommy and Daddy item base. They have them right here. This. Okay, so I don't really need the item base. I don't need the interface. Don't really need you either. So like, yeah. So really, I got to go get a pizza and left click if it's in my hand. That's the goal. And we wanted to say that it's eating it. Or soda. A soda would be fine too. I guess I should have automatically put one of those things in there, eh? Would make sense. I'm just gonna literally... No, I don't feel like going through all that. Oh, hi! Oh, hi! Welcome in. I'm staring at your name, trying to figure out how I'm gonna pronounce this. So I'm just gonna say Trixcraft. I'm gonna just ignore Trix. Okay. Trix. I can do that. I can handle that. Welcome in. I appreciate you being here. Fine. I will go put a pizza on the ground. We must go try to eat ground pizza now. This is horrible. Cause I'm not like I guess we'll put the pizza in the box. Can I how annoying is this gonna be to do from here? Where's it even at? This is gonna be very annoying to do from here. Oh, goodness. Don't mind that. Don't mind that. Welcome in. What you working on? I am hopefully going to make a fun little lethal-like. I don't have a lot of good ways to articulate my idea yet, so I haven't really been explaining it, but it's gonna be a lethal-like. Something that you can have fun with your friends and laugh and just have some fun times, you know? And right now, specifically, I would like my character to react with me pressing the interact key, and I'm not doing it this way. I'm distracting myself. I did something. Probably, I think, I don't know what I just did. Did I just delete this? I thought I had like this open all crazy. Yeah, and I just went like that. Good. Specifically, we would like to react when we have specific things in our hands. And then I'm just gonna go like this. Add inventory. We just need to add a couple pizzas, you know? Let's just add a couple pizzas. Get data table row. Items. Pizza. Get on in there. Perfect. Oh, you know what? You're right. You're totally right. Fair enough. Perfect. Now, well, this I started in the wrong thing. That's okay. Give me one of these pizzas. It's in my hand. Alright. I'm gonna consume this pizza. How beautiful. It worked. Vibes Art, thank you so much. I appreciate that. We hit our follow goal. Vibes, you are our 500th follower. I appreciate that. That's awesome. Well, that's awesome. I appreciate you. Welcome in. Coolio. Now let's make sure this works on multiplayer. Going back to this map because I don't want to do all the different settings. We shall host. We shall eat one pizza. Although I obviously don't have the logic right now to consume it. Or even take the amount of pizzas away. I didn't add that in there. I just have the button click. But let me see this. I'm gonna consume this pizza here. Let me drop it for you. I'd like you to do this again. Server, I'm gonna consume this pizza. I didn't realize there was a game dev and software section. Pretty cool. Yeah, it is pretty cool. It's really nice to be able to hop in. I see people in Game Maker, Godot, Unreal, Unity, like so many different things. Just, it's awesome. It's pretty awesome. Alright, well, seems like I know that I need to eat this pizza, huh? I definitely didn't make any of this print logic worrying about you and your clientness yet. So. That's probably because I don't verify any variables, eh? Yeah. Pineapple pizza. Can I just go like this? Is valid. Nice. Oh, look at that. The arrows lined up perfect. Beautiful. I wish I could set one of the cats right here so I could... Wait, Vibes, you mentioned this. Do you do any game dev or software stuff? I wish I could set a cat in front of here for you. I would like to stir the ham really quick, so I'll BRB. Hold on. Ham in the crock pot. Maybe I need to give them a little bit more space. I'm sorry, I probably messed up your game with that. I'm just trying to see why the clips aren't working. Dang, this whole time I was gone, it was just so quiet. Now if I press, oh, I guess the clips are going. It's all good. I was getting it on. That's okay. That's so wild. What happened to my clips? I'm gonna have to... Everything has been breaking lately. I'm betting everybody updated. And... yeah. I bet everybody updated. Oh, let me take my slippers off. Everybody probably updated their software now. Now, nothing's happening. Posted a pic in your Discord? Okay, let me look. Here we go. Pics. Stop making resolutions and start eating cheese. I love it. Somebody needs to edit that, so for one, it's me. And for two, there's just cheese everywhere instead of snow. That would be good. Here, let me show. Oh, it's because there's streamer mode. I can't show you. Maybe if I go like this, will it show you? Nope. Well, looks like you're just gonna have to join the Discord if you want to see it. Oh look, the bot's working today. That's nice. How wonderful. Okay, we fixed that. And what are we even doing? Do we even need this open? What were we doing in here? Just looking? Well, that was from what we were doing before, eh? I'm closing this. I don't remember why it's open. Oh, we needed to add pizza into it. That's why. Specifically. So, now let's think about it. If you have the event use, we're gonna go. I don't have like a hunger system yet. But we're gonna go is greater than 0. We're gonna make sure we have some first, even though we should have already been known if we had more than 0. Shouldn't even be around if we only have 0, but we're gonna double check. If we have more than 0, then we're gonna get them out. We're gonna subtract 1. And of course, re-put it on the correct screen. And then set the amount to this. Thanks, no. I appreciate you yelling. And say consumed, and then whatever it is. Eventually, we're definitely gonna need a dispatcher in here that lets us know, like, hey, you consume something, update some things and stuff. But right now, we're just gonna use up the item and say that we used it. But not like this, because this won't work for both of them. So if I go like this, and I say consume item. Do we want... Thank you for making it rain cheese. I appreciate that, Sean. This. Do we want the server? Do we want the owning client? We want the server to call this. Because you're gonna be like, hey, I'd like to eat this item, server. And then the server's like, yeah, here, go ahead and eat it. And it feeds it to you. And then you're like, okay, I ate that item. So we are gonna say custom event server consume item and it's gonna run on the server. Let me look at other things. This made the most sense. And then for the client one, so then when I say use this, I'm gonna say if you have authority, go ahead and do it. But if you don't, oh, I can go right into that item. That's so nice. Let's go in here. Switch has authority. If you have authority, go ahead and do it. If you don't, call server consume item, and then the server will feed it to you. So then you go like this. Does anything have to be? No, I think it's okay. Server consume item. This is like the client calling the server thing. In here, I also would like to switch this. I want to add who is consuming it. So oh, you know what? We gotta know who's consuming the item. The event user is gonna need to know who. Yeah? Who is consuming the item? So we go like this, and then we go into the interface, and we say character, BP base character, save that. It will want me to save this before it will remember this correctly. Because eventually, when I do have the like hunger and thirst system, I'll have to be able to get access to that character's like component and modify it in here. Whoever is trying to consume this item. So we'll do that for now, and we'll say get name. Just so we know who is trying to eat it. So, yes. Testing. Let me see you. There's 3 pizzas in here. Let me go ahead and equip my 3 pizzas. You see how I hold all 3 pizzas at once? Okay. Server, none consumed pizza. Okay, well, that's something. Let's put it back in our inventory. There's only 2 pizzas. I don't really know why it said none consumed pizza. You don't have a name? You don't have a name? Let's see if somebody else that's coming in has a name. Poor little thing doesn't even have a name. It's very close to my face. I mean, it should be BP player character _0, but hey, who am I to judge? Let me have one of these. Let me equip this. What happens if I try to consume you and there's only 1? Then it'll say 0. Nothing happens. Let's see what happens on the server. If I consume just 1. Stace! Disappointed in your shirt doesn't say Stace like Super Stace. This is Seneca. It was my first high school that I went to, Seneca Wrestling. I was a wrestling cheerleader, so of course I had to take one of the wrestling shirts. Hi though, Dava! How are you?
Indeed.
I hope
yes.
you're having a good day.
I mean, hang on.
Okay,
So, Jubba McJubbaface over
Let's
here is gonna
see.
have,
let's eat this.
a,
Non-consumed pizza. Now try to put it back in your inventory. Yeah, you really don't know what to do now, do you?
I'll disc your rod.
Yeah.
You'll, and you'll never get
And
another
it's
offer,
gone.
folks.
That's a lot
You'll
of bugs
never
right
get
there.
another offer.
Lots of bugs right there. Good, I'm good. I'm glad you're good. Makes me very good to hear you're good. That was very strange, wasn't it? Good. That was too many goods not replaced with Gouda. It was absolute heresy. What is this? I am Gouda. Thank you. I'm having a good day. We just made lots of bugs. We love bugs so much. You know. Are you gonna be... Were you playing some Euro today or anything? I thought I saw you playing it recently, right? Well, yeah, the shoutout says that. Bugs are good, right? I know, I kind of thought about that sentence afterwards too. Yesterday, yeah. Okay. I don't know why you're none, but I don't really care about that. For one, the server can't, or the client can't use you. What if I just didn't do that? Then what? Then what are you gonna do? What's it gonna do? I'm hoping that I start smelling the ham soon. That would be wonderful. I put 2 pounds of thinly sliced ham, and a whole bottle of barbecue sauce in the crock pot. Warm it and warm it. Well, I obviously mix it a bunch so it gets all hammy. Sounds amazing. It is delicious. Scott keeps wanting to try a different kind of barbecue sauce, but I like having Sweet Baby Ray's with it. I like sweet barbecue. So, Mr. Client, go grab this stack of pizzas. I need to get myself a crock pot. Honestly, I'm very upset because I ran out of crock pot liners. I ran out of crock pot liners, and it is absolutely a game changer if you have a crock pot. Sean, I'm not even going to read that out loud. I'm not going to embarrass you. This is worse than the whatever you felt with memes. This is sadder. Liners, yeah. They're basically like plastic bags that you can put inside, that you put it in the crock pot, over the glass part, and you put your lid on top so you don't get stuff all on the outside. Chester! Sorry, Sean, I'm sorry. Is it all barbecue, or you just don't like sweet barbecue? How are you, Chester? Thank you for making it rain cheese. How can one possibly not like barbecue? It's like so much. Like barbecue, BBQ, that style of food. Okay, well, what about the sauce? Sauce is okay. That's what I'm talking about, the barbecue sauce. I'm not barbecuing the ham. I'm covering the ham with barbecued. With the barbecue. With barbecue. How goes game making? Let me find out. I think I have 3 pizzas, and I still have 3 pizzas. Nope, I have 1 pizza. Did I press the mouse button twice? No, I still have 3 pizzas. And it dropped it in a stack when I just dropped it like that. Oh god, I'm forgetting so many things. Crockpot is essential. It is so good. And the crockpot liners are a need be. Maybe you just don't like the char taste. You know, I get that. So let me think. We have doesn't, I don't know why I'm putting this here, but doesn't drops non-stackable, oh no, items as 1. My sister's wedding rehearsal dinner in Asheville, North Carolina, served a traditional barbecue. It was a harrowing experience for me. Aw. Dang. I'm more of a over the fire person. You probably can't hear me. Nobody can hear me. But I'm an over the fire person. I'll repeat myself in a minute. I'm not gonna have this. I think I need... Thank you for still being here, Nana. This didn't matter either. Thank you for making it rain cheese. All this wonderful cheese everywhere. At least when it rains cheese in my stream, I don't die. Do you remember that? I don't know who would even know that reference.
A few moments later.
Yeah, that's how I feel. Just chilling. I ordered myself some cheese. I'm very excited. What kind of cheese? I really would like to get some Colby cheese to snack on, honestly. That'd be delicious. I'll keep it over here. I won't look at other things for now. Even though it's right at the end of the ad break, I'm gonna, and the clips are broken, I'm gonna go potty really quick. Sorry, RB! You can play the game while I'm gone. Alright, around, got it. Yes!
That was great work, Spyro.
You did it.
I can start fixing my machines. Here, I don't have room.
Yes! You got it! You really gonna pass me? We're on the double yellow line coming up to a bridge. You need to chill out, mailman. That's not how we drive. Alright, around, got it. Yes!
That was great work, Spyro.
You did it.
I can start fixing my machines. Here, I don't have room.
Yes! You got it. Hello?
This is a PSA. Please don't send dogs into the road. Bad.
You're so right.
Thank you.
What did she say? But you really can just be as simple as boil eggs, cut in half, mix the yolk with mayo until it's creamy, but not too mayo-y. Add a little bit of mustard. Mix that. Put a little salt and pepper in there. Put that mixture back in your egg. Ooh, you got 2 letters. I don't know if it means like on top. Just pop the whole thing in your mouth. It's E, or if there's 2 E's.
Clip that.
Ooh. There is your egg instructions. I'm gonna just sit here for a minute because. Yeah. Okay. It put it twice. I see.
Oh wow, these leaves.
And
they
the
look
worst part
very
is it doesn't
nice.
save between scenes, even though it's the same source. So if I were to try to like,
I knew it!
you know.
He's walking on his hind legs. What the fuck is that? No.
Ooh, that's a good shout. Although you had S and sword and that wouldn't work either. Like something with 2 E's in it. There can't, I mean, S, W, O, R, and D, A, G, and L are not in it. I don't even know words. I don't know any words.
If Mittens wins, we right. I agree.
Where's Wind's Fury? Wind's Fury's really good at these.
Oh my god, no fucking way.
So like,
You know what? I'll take that as a win.
Oh my god, Mittens
And you know what? It might even not be a double E word. It could just be like
Appointments. He has to give us a bunch of random facts for that.
No,
just
you
an
don't.
E in two places.
Would you rather be trapped in an hour in a room full of
I don't know.
mosquitoes or rats? I mean rats, obviously.
Have you given up, Chester?
Honestly, I would do the like what
I'm
kind
waiting
of,
for you to
what
figure
kind of
this out.
rats? What-
You got this.
I don't know. Rats.
Like, are they mean rats or are they
I've
like
forgotten all words,
regular
right though?
pet rats?
Let's go.
Everything I think of, I'm like, nope, too many letters.
Good.
Oh, not enough E's.
Other than that, I appreciate
Chat, what
everybody
words have
coming
two
out
E's in
today.
them?
I love you all. I think we might do a Short Planet Zoo stream tomorrow. And I don't know. I appreciate you.
I don't know. Feats. Oh, that doesn't use. Oh, look at that, and you got the E's in the right spot.
Oh my.
So
That's so rude. So rude.
there's no S, and that makes it hard. Oh no. It's not like beers. C, D, D. I was gonna say deer, but it still needs another letter. Oh, and there's no D.
Did you see that?
I wish it would just give us the word at the end.
And what was the other thing? Yeah. I'm not doing it.
Do exclamation
it's
point
right
game
here on my
before
screen.
you
I have
guess,
my
but also
screenshot.
there's no L or S.
I'm not here. I stream.
So
Well, anybody
H
who's my friend
E
on
E.
I hope you will all be nice.
Well, I was gonna say heaps, peeps.
Rockstar.
No,
Rockstar, please sponsor me.
but there's no S.
I had to do it. Okay, I'm gonna take my sip now.
You just opened a fresh Rockstar as that clip was playing. I just want it won't even tell us what it is, even after it's over, if we don't guess it.
All the time and sound like I'm way overly happy.
And it's taken forever to try peeps, and I don't think it's gonna. But if you do it a second time, it'll just take both of them. Do you want me to quote unquote accidentally end it? I want to know what it is.
Things do things. I don't
The
like making
pain,
you
I
do
know.
things, though. That's my issue.
Peer. No. Beefs? There's no S. Ooh, that's close to beep. What is the last letter is the part that's horrible. So B-E-E. God, we have one last guess too. There's no S, no F,
Hello?
no T,
Chat, this is
no
a
L,
reminder that the cooldown is over and you can
no
crack your
G,
knuckles again.
no A, no W, No
I
R.
didn't even hear any of that.
No D's.
It's the fear of holes in irregular patterns. Ugh. All of the above. All of the above. No, thank you.
Beagles eat feet.
Mm-mm. This is Chester's dream though. Where is he? It's all about sharks today.
I mean, all I'm saying
Here,
is...
let me get ChatGPT up. Hold
just
on.
looking at it
I
makes
got
me
this.
Chase
uncomfortable.
just fucking bark at us.
ChatGPT. 5-letter words that start with B-E-E. Beach. Beef. Do beach. B-E-E-C-H. Oh, dang. I think it was beach. Beats was one of the suggestions too. Yeah. That's definitely not how you spelled it. Okay.
A message has
Let's
been
see.
received.
What is V-E-E-C-H? Oh. The tree. The tree. Yeah, it's the tree. It is a tree. They're really nice too. Temperate regions. Trees don't exist. Dang. I knew I was tripping, but I didn't know that hard. I'm just kidding, obviously. You're right. Beech trees are in PZ. Alright. If you want, I can add that game to the screen. I might have it, actually. No, I don't have it, but I can add it to this screen. It might be a little bit harder. Look, here's ChatGPT. Talk about the tree. No, I'm traumatized now. Alright. Well, you're just kind of like avocado in the 8-ball now, eh? The avocado doesn't get along with the 8-ball. Things on my stream just make people upset. That's not good. Everybody's just upset. I heard my phone go off. Hold on.
A message has been received.
That's my text message sound. It's vacation. Yeah, it made people so sad. I think that the answer was beach though. If that brings anybody who feels incomplete a little more complete, that I'm gonna declare that so. So we were working on our consumable, using it, but it doesn't really like using it as the client. I think that the server used it correctly though, right? The server used it fine. Oh, look! Look! We can consume a soda! We had a soda in there. None consumed soda. Let me drop it. I don't know why I dropped it. I don't know why it consumed all of the soda. I thought that there was 2. Yeah, we got some things to work on. Yeah, that was not great. So when it's in our hand and we go to consume it, I thought I checked if it's greater than 0 right here. The only thing that can have 0 as the amount is a gun. Because the amount keeps track of the ammo. And that's obviously not hair. I feel like I have one single hair in the middle of my face. Oh, here it is. Just pulled it out. It's gone now. Okay, so I got a fresh rock star. Cause I'm gonna be working on all these teeny tiny bugs the rest of the night, I know it. Windsfury, I think I've mentioned you twice today. I'm so glad to see you. How are you? How are you doing? Well, here's that hair that I just apparently didn't drop. So, when we consume the item, we see if we have a third. If we don't, we call the server version of it so it can implement it. How's the game dev going? It's going pretty good. We have a lot of little bugs, but you always have that when you're starting to implement something new, you know? Whatevs. How are you? If the amount is greater than 0, if it's not greater than 0, what happens if maybe? I'm doing alright. Well, I'm glad you're doing alright. That's better than bad. Have you been gaming on anything lately? Oh, don't worry, I'm on my arm. Wins! If the amount's greater than 0. Well, really, if the amount minus 1. Oh! We have a lot of police around because someone was murdered right outside my house. Oh my goodness. That is, I'm so sorry. That's so wild. That must be very stressful. If you need to talk, you know I'm here. You can always reach out on Discord if anything's ever going on. It goes to everybody. And the police tape everywhere, and oh my gosh, you are literally living in a movie. Yeah, stay safe. My goodness. If it's not, thank you. Hope you're doing well. Haven't seen your name in a while. Oh, yeah. I think about Chester all the time when that clip comes up. Where's Chester? It's all about sharks today. That one. If it's not greater than 0, I want to not have it in my hands anymore after I'm done consuming it. Oh, I'm up and down. Moved recently, so it's a big change, but I'm okay. How are you? Oh, Chester's on the move. honestly, at any point of it. Hey, oh, nice. Love that. You ready? Are you ready? This is gonna be Macmatic, you watching? Macmatic, are you watching? I love it. I love it. Beautiful. Let's reset the brain. So, I'm pretty sure both of them make it to here, right? Ace, when are you making a shark game? Maybe whenever I get good. Do you know how hard it would be to make a shark? Swimming? So, yeah. Favorite cocktail shark attack? I'm pretty sure both of them get to this. I don't drink, but if I did, it probably would be fair. Look at this, we got our soda twice. Hello. Shark Simulator? Maybe so. What if I made it so, like, it's just a shark swimming around on your screen? That's all you get. Like Tree Simulator, but Shark Simulator. It just... It's hard making a shark game unless you favor the Jaws theme, right? Now do you say hello? You don't say hello. Oh. It's because I'm doing all this weird stuff, eh? Yeah, you don't get here. And that's pretty much because switch authority. Yeah. So if we go like this and then go server consume item. If I did this, then they should both do hello. Tree gets one button. Photosynthesis. Have you played the tree game? I can make a simulator game with 2 buttons if you want. So funny. Hello. Join. You know what I would make my 1-button tree game? It would be you could change a season. That would be it. Oh no, you still don't. So maybe I don't need this. Oop, no. What do you call this game, Ace? Like, does it have a temp name? I will tell you it's called the acronym for what its name will be is LGC. Once I have a better way to articulate the idea into words to explain it is when I will start giving out more details about my idea, but the design document that I have and everything that I have written down is a little out of date. So, for all the things that I've thought, because I technically started this like forever ago because I was working on making dynamic buildings by like I made like a building generator where it would place down rooms and hallways, and that was gonna be like my lethal type thing for it, where I'm still gonna have randomly generated buildings, but I'm gonna have to do it in a different way than I tried the first 2 times or 4 times or how many times I tried it. Who knows? But I googled LGC acronym and it says laser generated content. Wow, that is rough. I'm so sorry, Ace. Well, it'll mean something else soon enough. I promise. That is so sad. Loser generated content. Man, maybe that's what I should make my game name instead. Oh, I love, because I did the socket thing for the bat. Or I did the socket thing. I can carry the bat in my hand. And then, I mean, I just kind of hold it with my thumb, I guess. But you eat one of these pizzas, and then I'll drop it. Oh, why? How many pieces did you eat, bro? You didn't. Oh yeah. Why did you drop it like that? Oh yeah, I still have. It drops in a stack. Balls. Okay, well hopefully the client says hello now. It probably will. Hello. Run around my pizza. I just stood on their pizzas. But look, the health thing works. I never showed that off because I didn't ever have it plugged in. Nothing happens when you die though right now. Doesn't look bad. Not too shabby. I like my Spider-Man jumps. Not too bad. Loser generated content. So, am I going to need something that calls it on the server? So, if somebody wants to consume this item, first you have to make sure item -1. Well, no, honestly, it doesn't even matter. Amount. If it's equal to 0, then this is bad. How about just greater than 0? If amount is greater than 0, Then we'll get amount. Whoop. Set amount -1. Change a thing. Can you have the pizza turn to slices as is being, as in consume 1 ace pizza, for example, or do they have to eat the entire thing? For a while they're gonna eat the entire thing, but maybe. Once I actually add that part like a little bit more. I don't have any hunger system or anything right now. It's just taking the item away and it's disappearing forever, but you know. It's okay. You can't have too much pizza, right though? I have it so you can carry 5 pizzas in a stack at a time. And then if this equals 0, we gotta do something. Would it be funny if they just fold the whole thing in half and chop it? I think that if I can end up adding animations like that and adding animations that are like catered to each specific, like if I have like a use animation for each of the items, that would definitely have to be how it's done. 'Cause it's on a plate too. So it would be plate and all, they just oh my gosh. So if amount's greater than 0 is true, do this. Set the amount. And then if the amount is equal to 0, then you gotta get rid of it. But if it's not, then it's fine. Is it because I have to adjust the equipped item's amount? Excuse me. I probably have to get player character. Okay then, player character. And then equipped item. And then wait. Would I like set myself as the equipped item, or I shouldn't even be messing with the amount in here? And the skull and skull the entire soda down, yeah. Honestly. Do I need to be subtracting the equipped item stuff? Because we're using the equipped item. Like we call the interface of the equipped item. Because I can say amount, and I can like get or set it. I need to. Or am I doing both? I know that some weird multiplayer stuff is gonna come into this. I just probably should put a breakpoint in here and just see what's going on anyway. Just who follows what path to here? If they can get to there. I just put that at the very end. How am I supposed to see anything? Want to see what variables are what? Take some pizza. Equip some pizza. Use it. Okay, so. Do you know what you are? Character. Well, it says you don't even know that, but that's okay because I don't think I even really got plugged that in anymore anyway. Okay. So amount, yes, it is 3. It's greater than 0 equals true. And 3 minus 1. Three minus 1 is in 0.
A message has been received. A message has been received.
Hold on. Let's just step one more thing forward and see if that's what it actually outputted. Okay, no, it's not. So, that's not equal to 0. And so, as a server, we did go through setting all that correctly. So then if we go over to the client, I'm still like, by the way, I appreciate you. If we go to the client, having coffee and trying to decide what to stream tonight, you know it'll either be Balatro or RoboQuest. Oh yeah, you gotta share your pizza. Here you go. Even though it should be, yeah. Okay. Equip this pizza. F11. You have 1 pizza. Let's go. Yeah. Wait. Zero does equal 0. Do you design a pizza asset too? Oh no, no, no. I am definitely not an asset designer. It is from an asset pack called Assetsville Town. Tautology is tautology. Well, I don't know if I know what tautology is. Hold on. I'm gonna go over here.
A tautology is a redundant or repetitive statement where the same idea is expressed in multiple ways. A statement or formula that is always true regardless of the truth. That was very clever. I like that. I actually thought it might have been something similar, but I had to ask. Oh, speaking of asset packs, that modular skeleton thing is free this month on Fab if you want the example project. I got something. I learned how to retarget skeletons. I don't know anything about skeletons. This is also impressive to me. Well, I appreciate that. But also, welcome in Climax. We were on the player controller though. So I don't know if that even I should have did the same test on both of them, honestly, but I didn't. And that's mobby. Should have done it with 3 pizzas for both. Let's just host this. We know that this one does it the way we intend, obviously, because it's a server. This one is the one we gotta see. Pretty sure I still have the breakpoint, so there's a whole extra pizza in here. Where did this pizza come from? I only added 3 pizzas. Oh, it's because that was one of the random items, so it stacked them. Wonderful. The one time I'm just like, yes, we need a stack of 3 pizzas. It gives us 4. Amount 4. It is greater than 0. It makes it 3. Equal to 0 is false. So it does the same thing. And then, like, where the heck are we? This one. If we drop these, do you see 3 pizzas? No, you still see 4. Because we don't actually take the amount away from the pizza. We have to do it from that player character thing? No way, bro. I'm gonna have to spend some time thinking about this. Gonna do a lurky. I appreciate you. I probably won't be on too much longer because Scott's gonna be home soon. I'm gonna end up going out there and doing the dishes before he gets home. So, is this starting or is this the one I wanted? No, this is the one I wanted. No, this is. I have too many of these random things. Is this the one I wanted? Oh, now it's opening a 3rd time. Okay. Got it. Figured it out. Hello? Where'd you go? How did I do this before? I'm doing equipping and unequipping.
No, I'm using an item. That's what I want. Well, I didn't do it in this one yet. And also it didn't even matter anyway because it's set up for only single player. It wouldn't have showed me my multiplayer issue anyway. Dang. How unfortunate. That's okay. It'll be figured out. I thought that one might have ended up too close to me. Oh, okay. No. Did it still open up twice anyway? Yeah, it did. So they do both go into here. Ooh, back in Unreal. Hi, Graham. How are you? It's been a while. Yeah. Honestly, I haven't left for quite a while. I always make little random things. I feel like I'm losing all my good coding techniques that I used to do because all I do is visual scripting these days, so it'll be an absolute pain in the butt when I decide to transfer it all over to code. But I've been trying to figure out the multiplayer stuff. That has been not the most fun, I have to say. Definitely not the most fun. Mine goes the other way. I forgot how to blueprint half the time. I mean, I think forgetting how to blueprint is probably definitely better. I guess it's mostly just when you use their functions, you have to figure out all their function names and all that stuff. And because it does the automatic includes for you, you don't have to worry about it, but in code you do. I'm trying to see an example of a different interact type thing I did. It calls this server thing calls the other stuff. So we want a server one. Custom. I write the blueprint nodes in C++ and then I actually know what they all do. Yeah, well, that's how you transfer to code, right? I mean, you gotta get there. Oh, because you're doing it in C++, now you actually, like, understand them a lot better. Is that what you're saying? Where was I at? I have no idea. Here we go. I spend shockingly little time actually in the editor, so I constantly forget engine names for nodes. Oh dang. All them K2 this, K2 that. That's all I remember at the moment. Did I say I didn't even make it to this on both of them before? I don't remember. Back to 4 pizzas. Right now I'm coding Slate UIs, which is horrific. It makes me miss UMG. Man, I know that doing widgets and stuff in the any UI in C++ just sucks.
A message has been received.
I don't want this anymore. I just want to, okay, you said hello. Now let's see that other one. Boop. Go grab a soda. Yeah, I saw you in here, soda. Well, there's one soda now. Yeah, you don't say hello. You don't. You're supposed to. Ugh, whatevs. Alright, well, I gotta go potty and I gotta go do some dishes. It's not great, but I don't have much of a choice. It's for engine plugins. Oh dang. I haven't messed a whole lot with stuff like plugins and all that. I just got the only thing I did is I got the plugin for the advanced sessions, so you can do the Steam stuff. But yeah. Pig Weasley. It would be nice. I bet you I would, if I figured it out, I would get too into it. I'd make way too many plugins for absolutely no reason that everybody probably already has out there. But I'm gonna go here. If you have any time though, maybe hang out for a raid. Let's see if the bot's still working. P-Born, you're wonderful. See ya. Well, wins for you. Have a wonderful one. I will be back on Friday. Maybe we'll take a break from Game Chef. Maybe we'll do some farming or something. We'll see. We'll see how my brain's going. We probably won't, let's be honest. But I would like to raid out Whizfee. I was making Grand Alfheim online, but I broke the flying mechanic. Oh no! I don't have much experience with flying stuff, so I don't know if I could help you yet. Oh, the online stuff. Yeah, the online stuff takes so much to implement, going back and forth with everything. It's so hard. Have a good day. You have a great day as well. I don't know who we're gonna raid yet. I would like to look. If you have any time, I would love it if you could join me. If you don't, I completely understand. But either way, I just also want to give some thanks to our new followers, Vibes and DM Chromie. Thank you, P-Born, for that sub. Thank you to all the moderators. Look, it put Tortuga on here, but it didn't put Dom last time when he was here. I don't get that. But let's see who I have. Would you like... Would you like Russian Fishing 4? I could be embarrassed and go over to some software and game development. Or some co-working? What do you guys think? Maybe another death? We can. It'll be embarrassing that I only have one, it looks like I only have one dev online right now at the moment. But we're gonna do it anyway. Because this person is actually doing really super cool stuff. So, let's go there. I've never been active in her chat. She has no idea who I am, but she is honestly a super awesome dev. She's making super cool things. I can't wait to see what she makes. So if you have some time, come on and raid with us. She does so much of it all by herself. I'm pretty sure maybe even all of it, if I dare say, by herself. So name's Lana Lux. We shall go there then. So if you have time to copy up the raid message and join us, thank you for being here, Ringtail, as always. If you have time to join us, I love it. If not, I love it too. I love all you.